It's all London, baby. Here we go.
Wondering about studying in another country? Exciting, right? But before you pack your bags, let's talk about some things that no one really talks about. From homesickness to unexpected expenses, today we're going to dive into the real deal of studying abroad. Welcome to Study Abroad Simplified with Uni Scholars, where we keep it real. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the one thing that almost everyone goes through, but not many talk about. Homesickness.
Everything's different here. I want to go home.
You're far away from friends, family, familiar places. And look, no matter how independent you are, being thousands of miles away from home hits differently. The first few weeks can feel, well, really lonely. But here's the good news. It's totally normal and it does get better. Video call your folks, join student clubs, or just go explore the city. Once you start building your little student community abroad, that empty feeling slowly fades away. Before we get into all that fun stuff, let's talk about something that no one really mentions: the pre-departure anxiousness. I'm talking about the nerves and the stress that hit when you're about to leave your home country to study abroad for the first time. For most students, this is the first time traveling overseas, and with that comes a flood of questions. Stuff like, what plug would I need in the UK, or how do I get from the airport to my accommodation? Sounds simple, right? But these are the little doubts that become very stressful and overwhelming over the time. Here's the thing, you're not alone in feeling like this. And that is why Uni Essentials was created, to take away all that stress. Whether it's figuring out what plug you would need in the UK or how to get from the airport to your accommodation, Uni Essentials is here to smooth things out for you. With curated deals, trusted partners, and guides based on real student feedback, it is made to make the whole process a lot easier. No surprises, no hidden costs, and definitely no figuring it out on your own. You just have to focus on the exciting part, your future ahead. We all know about tuition fees and rent, but there are so many other expenses that can catch you off guard. There are food costs, travel expenses, and then those little oops moments like getting new winter clothes or some last-minute visa extension. But here's the good news. When it comes to funding your study abroad journey, UniCreds has got your back. With flexible education loans with quick approvals, you can cover all those unplanned expenses without any stress. Whether it's tuition fees, living costs, or emergencies, UniCreds has got you the support that you need to focus on your studies. UniAcco makes sure that there are no surprise expenses for your housing. With fully verified listings and transparent rent, there are no hidden fees. You can just focus on your studies knowing that your living costs are covered. So budget wisely for everything else and always make sure to keep a buffer for emergencies. Balancing a part-time job with your studies, social life, and other responsibilities can get really overwhelming. Time management is the key here. Make planners, block out your study time, and remember to say no to other things when you need to prioritize your own well-being. Work is just a part of the experience and not the whole. Your primary goal is still your education, and that balance is what will help you thrive. Speaking of time, let's talk about time management. Probably used to a certain rhythm back home, and studying abroad can throw that off. Course might be tougher than you expected, and on top of that, you have to balance life. My advice, organize your time efficiently. Plan your week ahead, and remember, it's okay to take breaks. Studying abroad is about balance and not burnout. Now let's address something that is often overlooked: your mental health. Being far away from home, handling all those pressures, it can get really overwhelming. Most universities offer counseling services, and there are plenty of student support groups that can help. You're not alone in this journey, and getting support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Let's talk about cultural differences. When you move abroad, everyday things can feel totally new, from how classes are taught to how friendships are formed. For example, you might be surprised to know professors prefer their first names, or being even 5 minutes late is a big deal in some countries. Food and traditions can also feel like an adjustment. You'll definitely miss home flavors, but it is also a chance to try new cuisines and even make your friends try your own culture. At times, you might feel out of place, and that is normal. The key is to stay open-minded, curious, and willing to learn. Celebrate local festivals, ask questions, and embrace the differences. These are the moments that will make your study abroad journey truly unforgettable. Alright, here's your final checklist before you head abroad. Expect homesickness, but remember, it does get better. Budget wisely and also prepare for the unexpected expenses. Manage your time well. Studies, work, and life balance are all key. Seek help if you need it, because mental health matters. And embrace the cultural differences. Those are what make your entire journey memorable. studying abroad isn't always perfect, but it is always worth it. You learn a lot about the world and even more about your own self. Studying abroad is a journey full of highs and lows, but it is also an unforgettable one that will shape your future. Uni Scholars is here to guide you every step of the way, from exploring courses to visa support and settling into your dream destination. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk on studying abroad, and let us know in the comment section what surprised you the most about your study abroad journey. See you in the next one.